Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 14 Factorization Exercise 14F question number 13 to 16. This says what in the 13th question? 16 y to power 4 minus 81. See now, 16 y to power 4 and minus 81 directly it is given to you. The perfect squares are there. And now you just have to factorize. 16 is the square of 4, y to power 4 is the square of y square and whole square. This you have done in the previous questions also. If you write like this, okay, a to power m whole to the power of n, so you will have a to power m into n. So we have broken down 4 into 2 into 2, so value still remains the same. Minus 81 is the square of 9. Very simple, right? This is clear. Now use the identity. You will have 4y square minus 9 in one bracket and 4y square plus 9 in another bracket. Right, now solve this. 4y square is still this part minus part negative bracket. It still can be simplified further. This one with the plus sign, it cannot be simplified, right? But this one you can still simplify. See, 4y square minus 9 you can write as the square of 2y. 4y square is the square of 2y minus 9 is the square of 3. Right, and here you have 4y square plus 9. Now see, simplify this. Now use the identity and a minus b, a plus b, so you will have 2y minus 3 and 2y plus 3, and the other bracket that is also there, 4y square plus 9, right? And you cannot factorize any further. This is the final answer, right? Now come to the next question. We've got here in the 14th question. See, xy to power 5 minus yx to power 5, very clearly visible. You have to take commons. What you will take common? See, where there are no powers, I am writing the powers. X to power 1, y to power 1, right? Now you have to take the common, and that means HCF. You have to choose the variable with the lower power. Okay, two variables with different powers, okay, two same variables with different powers, 5 and 1. So you will always choose the variable with the lower power, that means with power 1. See here, x to power 1, x to power 5, x, y to power 5, y to power 1, y, x, y. This is our total thing that we will take common. See what will be left. X and x will cancel, y to power 5 and y. So basically one exponent you will subtract, so y to power 4. And y will cancel here, x to power 5 and x. Again one exponent you subtract, so this is what you have, x to power 4, right? Now use the identity. Now it is just an ordinary question. This part you have to factorize, xy into, see now, y square whole square minus x square whole square. Okay, 2 into 2, 4. Again we have used the same law of exponents here also, so we have got the same value. Now you can see here you will have xy. Now open this, right? Y square minus x square in one bracket and y square plus x square in another bracket. Clear? Now still it is not factorized. We have to factorize this further on this bracket, right? The y square plus x square is okay. It cannot be factorized any further because we can't use the a square minus b square identity for this bracket, right? Minus sign is not in between. Here you can factorize it further. You can use a square minus b square because minus sign is there in between. So do that. See, y square is the square of y minus x square is the square of x, and your second bracket is already there, that is y square plus x square. Now open this y square minus x square, so xy into y minus x, y plus x, and here y square plus x square, right? Clear? Now it is completely factorized. That is your final answer. Clear? Now let's move on to the next question. Now come to the next question. You have here in the 15th question what? A plus b whole square, right, minus b minus a whole square, right? Now again it is very clearly visible also, right? You don't need to do anything. See, a plus b whole square, right? So write it like this, okay, a plus b in one bracket and use the identity now. So here a plus a, right, this you can write as a, this you can write as b. So a minus b, so the signs of this term will change. So minus b plus a, right, plus b we have changed into minus b, and minus a we have changed into plus a. Clear? This is one bracket. Now comes a plus b, that also you have to do. So first you write a, that is a plus b. Okay, now you write b. No sign will change now, values will be as they are. So plus b minus a, right? Can you solve it further? See now, collect your like terms. Plus b minus b cancel, so you are left with 2a here. And here minus a plus a will cancel, so you are left with 2b. When you multiply both these expressions, what you will obtain? 2 into 2 is 4, a into b is a b. So 4ab becomes the answer for this question. Clear? Now come to the 16th question. We have x plus 2y minus 5z whole square minus x minus 2y plus 5z whole square. This is what you have here. Now see, in this expression also same identity will be used. This is a, this part is a, this part is b. Clear? Now you can solve it further on. How? See here. First you do a minus b, a plus b, right? So let's do a minus b. First you write down the value of a, that is x plus 2y minus 5z. This is the value of a. Okay, a. Then you have minus b. So this bracket, signs inside this bracket will be changed. Plus x will become minus x, minus 2y becomes plus 2y, plus 5z becomes minus 5z. Close the bracket. First bracket. See the second bracket now. Again write down the value of a, x plus 2y minus 5z. Now plus b we are doing now, plus b. That means the signs of the values inside will remain the same. Plus x will be written as it is, minus 2y will be written as it is, plus 5z will be written as it is. Can we further simplify this? Yes. Okay, in the first bracket we can cancel x and minus x. Okay, nothing else can be cancelled. So 2y plus 2y becomes 4y, minus 5z becomes minus 10z. Now come to the second bracket. Can we cancel anything here? Plus 2y minus 2y we can cancel, minus 5z plus 5z we can cancel. So we are left with x plus x, that means 2x. Now we can solve this further on by this is simple multiplication now. So 2x into 4y, that means 4 into 2 8, x into y 8xy, minus 2x into 10z minus 20xz. Again take common 8 and 20, so we can take 4 common. X and x we can take common, y and z we cannot take common, right? From here 8 and minus 20 will be factorized by 4. 4 is the highest common factor, that is HCF of 8 and minus 20. And then we have taken x also common. 4, 8 will go 2 times by 4, x and x cancel, so 2y, minus 20 goes 5 times by 4, x cancel, so z. 4x into 2y minus 5z, that is your final answer, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this